Okay, so let's talk about navigating and interacting with Excel. So let's start up here. So up here is what we call our title bar, okay? And this shows the name of the file, all right? And all of this here is what we call the ribbon, all right? And as you can see, the ribbon is broken down into different tabs, and each tab has different groups, right? So we're in a home tab right now, and we see clipboard group, the font group, alignment group, and so on. If I click on another tab, so I'm in an insert tab right now, and it gives us a different set of groups here, and each tab has its own set of groups. All right, this here is what we call the formula bar. Okay, so when I type information into what we call a cell here, so for example, if I type 100, as you can see, it is in our formula bar. All right. I can also, so if I click on a different cell, if I click in the formula bar, and if I type 1000, as you can see, it appears in the cell as well. Okay. So what if I type a number, if I type anything inside a cell, you will see it in our formula bar. All right, if I click on a cell and click in our formula bar and type something here, it will appear in our cell. All right, so you can use the formula bar to enter or edit data. Okay, and when you select a cell, you can also use the formula bar to enter or edit data, a formula, or a function for that cell. All right, and Excel uses rows and columns to organize data. Okay, so this is an example of a row, and I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see. So this is an example of a row, and this here is an example of a column, right? So rows run horizontally, and as you can see, they are noted by a number. Okay, so this is row 1, and here, the columns run vertically, and they're noted by a letter. So as you can see, this is column A. All right, so what is a cell? All right, so a cell is the rectangular box at the intersection of a column. All right, so it is noted by a letter and a number. Okay, so this cell here is F4. Okay, this is what we call the active cell. All right, and so this cell here, as you can see, it has a green border surrounding it. All right, and also the row header and the column header are also highlighted. And you can also check over here in what we call the name box, and you can see that we are in cell F4. Okay. Up here is what we call the quick access toolbar. All right, so here we can undo. If we make a mistake, we can undo it. We can also redo. And here we can click here, we can save our document. Not our document, our Excel spreadsheet. All right, so just remember that you want to save often. Okay. Down here, as you can see, we have different tabs here. We have different worksheet tabs here. Right now, we are in sheet 1. And we'll be going through some of these activities here in future videos. Okay. In our first activity, actually, we'll be talking about the different cursors that we will get in Excel. All right, so stay tuned.